Today we are going to discuss about the special kind of a variable, which is the server variable. So server is a PHP super global variables which holds the information about the headers, path and script locations. Okay, so you know very well about the global variables. We have discussed this variable in our previous lectures. Okay, so now we have, let me comment this line. Now I'm saying I have server variable. Okay, if you var dump this, var dump, go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's giving you the array. So as you can see, these are 42 arrays returning. Okay, so now this is the server. Now I am saying that I have show me the PHP self. Echo this out. Go to the page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's showing you the file name inside the PHP. So PHP self gives you the file name. So because this is the index.php file, so that's why it's giving you the file. Okay, if you are saying that, oh please give me the server name, so it will give you the server name. Let me show you. I'm saying server name. Go to the page, refresh the page. Because I have the localhost environment, so that's why it's giving you the localhost. And if you are echoing this variable at any domain like xyz.com, it definitely give you the xyz.com or the server name. Or if I'm saying that, oh please show me the host name, http host, go to the page, refresh the page, it's giving you the same host name. Okay, if I'm saying that please, this is the name, script name, go to the page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's giving you the name of the script. We have a lot of because if you var dump this variable, it's a server variable. If you var dump this, and I'm saying this is the br tag, so it's giving you the 42 arrays because this is the associative array. So that's why if I'm saying PHP self, so here as you can see, this is the PHP self. If I'm saying that give me the server address, so as you can see, it's giving you the server address. So I'm not going to explain each and everything, but for now, this is the special kind of variables, and you can get the informations about the header, path, and also the script locations or the server name, XYZ. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture, we are going to cover some other special type of variables. So thank you for watching.